When the fires come through and we actually looked at the devastation, it was hard to work out where to start.
We've probably been in this place 25 years, I'd say, and we've built it ourselves. I left home with a top, pair of pants and shoes, and that's all.
We're standing here on what's left of my wildflower farm. This is the farm now.
Yeah, when you come back and you see that you've lost everything. Every photo, every memory, it's all gone.
The worst fire season ever recorded, an apocalypse, a nightmare, and like looking into the gates of hell.
A year into it, we still have customers that are uncertain about staying in that community. Not so much because of the ability to not rebuild or get the support they need, but for their own safety.
There were all houses up here before, and now, I don't know, there's only about 3 of them rebuilding, I think.
There's a lot of people that are, too scared to rebuild, too scared to start again, and they're grieving. We are in our brand new home to replace the one we lost. Everything was on fire, absolutely on fire everywhere. So we drove through fire, fireball went across the car, then the boys were screaming.
Some people are struggling even to come in on the turn-off. There's a couple of people that haven't been able to drive back in.
It's like half and half, do you rebuild, do you not? We love it out here.
The other thing we did was to offer to pay the mortgage repayments in the period for up to a year when those customers were rebuilding. We thought that would actually give them the peace of mind and confidence to actually rebuild in that community, stay part of that community.
So as far as Lynn goes, I mean, it's taken a bit of time to get where we are today. She's had the block of land cleared. Last time we were here, there was certainly utter devastation with the house half burnt, 3/4 burnt.
I hope by Chrissy, contracts are signed, plans are back from council, and I'd like to see a slab.
Probably the most challenging conversations we've had is hearing from people that have lost everything. But it goes beyond just financials. It's really encouraging our customers to consider all the learnings out of both the Royal Commission and what we saw play out last year, to have a plan around their safety, their financial well-being, their personal well-being, and obviously a fire plan.
I thought, well, we're a minute off the highway. You wouldn't think your house would burn down, but yeah, I think people have to be aware.
And so this hub is designed to give you immediate information, tools, checklists, hints about what you can plan to do or would do in such a situation.